Hey guys, Eli here. Hope you're all doing well. Um, I'm back for some more Backrooms stuff. It's been a little while. I had planned on doing them more consistently, and I've actually stopped myself from watching them just by myself because I wanted to do it. I wanted to do it on the on in real time or whatever you want to call it. Even though I'm not a reactionary guy, it's still fun, and I know that some of you guys haven't seen them either, so watching them with me for the first time. I think it's pretty cool. Or if you've already seen them before, watch them with me again. So what we're going to be watching today is the sixth and seventh videos in the Kane Parsons Backrooms playlist. So the first one titled Autopsy Report, and then the seventh one titled Informational Video. So I have not seen either of these. I'm really excited because I'm really digging this backroom stuff. I'm obsessed with it, as I've said before. Yeah, let's just jump right into it. So, Autopsy Report. Let's do it. I'm stoked.
Subject is male, somewhere between 18 and 21 years old. I estimate that the time of death was around 5 days ago, but due to this severe tissue damage.
So, if you guys didn't watch, if you haven't been following along, where we're at right now is the Async company. In the last video, they found a dead body in the back rooms, and it looked like it had been decomposed in a way that looked strange. So anyway, so it looks like they're bringing that in for an autopsy. And yeah, sorry.
It's hard to say for sure. Cause of death was likely malnutrition. I was able to recover most of the digestive tract. So things start to deviate from what we would consider to be natural. The decomposition process appears to have been stunted somehow. It's like portions of the body stopped decaying and were sustained. Other areas, however, were completely overtaken by culture. So I took samples of some material here. At first, I thought it was an aggregated collection of Pseudomonas fluorescens, but it seems to be closer to a mutated strain of simple hay bacillus, which it should be completely benign, but, well, really, I don't know what to make of this. Mr. Beck, may I ask where this subject came from?
I'm assuming you cannot. All right, that was cool. I will say, after seeing the the Backrooms movie, the A24 movie, I'm actually kind of, I don't want to say surprised, but like the web series seems to go much more in like a sciencey direction, which is cool. But it's like, God, it's so it's so crazy that like a 16, 17-year-old was doing that. Kane must have some a firm grasp on so maybe he's a science major, I'm not sure, but like if it were me, I would definitely have steered clear of like any kind of deep science based stuff, just because it's so easy to pick apart, not by someone like me, but people that are into that kind of stuff. So either way, I'm still on board. I think this is so awesome. And I wanted to say where we left off one of the last videos, the one where basically the video where they find the back rooms, where they first open up a portal, as it just opens up. Oh man, I just thought that was, I'm getting chills just thinking about it. I thought that was so damn creepy in a weird way. So anyway, sorry. That's I'm all over the place today, so bear with me. So yeah, we're gonna move on to informational video, the seventh video in the playlist. This one's a little longer. This is 8 minutes. So yeah, let's do this. I'll try not to interrupt too much.
Welcome to the Project KV-31 Research and Development Team. In this short, informative video, you will be briefed on the required protocol in regard to Project KV-31, as well as receive an overview of future development plans. What is Project KV-31? Project KV-31 pertains to the study and development of the async low-proximity magnetic distortion system. For the sake of convenience, you may hear your peers refer to the project under any of the following titles: the machine, the door, the back rooms, the complex, hallways. Unauthorized usage of these terms outside of the async research facility is strictly prohibited. Touch the threshold without guided supervision. Never enter the complex alone. All expeditions are to be comprised of no fewer than 3 individuals.
Wasn't built. Yeah, but that was 2 weeks ago. We're not going to be doing anything about it now. I mean, do you really think that there's actually a vaccine in this situation? I mean, there's too many variables. It's honestly to reset the whole circuit. It's doable. So you know how it is. They're going to want to have everything come on and so I'm going north. Guys, can you hear this? Hey guys, can you hear this? Hey!
What?
Guys.
What? What the fuck?
Guys? George? Morgan! Oh, God. Hey! What is this one? There's this one.
Ugh. Stuff is intense, man. I'm not gonna lie. What is that sound? It's his breathing, I guess. I'm going in there. Hell no. Yeah, grab that. Weird old-timey stuff.
Please. Oh. Hello?
What is this?
Hey!
So that one ended kind of abruptly. You didn't get to see the bottom of that map for very long, but it said complex. So what does that mean? Like an apartment complex or a building complex or complex things? I don't know. That word could be used a few different ways. Can't wait to see what happens. That was pretty. That was great. I didn't know that it was going to be, since it was called informational video. I thought that's what it would be. The whole thing turned out to be only the first minute or so. But yeah, this is I mean, my favorite. I think my favorite parts of the Backrooms are when the async employees are are just kind of wandering around and God help them. Although the found footage ones are good too, because it's just like random people getting sucked into the back rooms. But I really like the async company, and I'm really like, curious to figure out what exactly it is that they're doing and all that. I was definitely reminded, like some of those scenes really reminded me of some of the scenes from the movie. So that was cool too. Yeah, I can't wait to watch more, but I will have to wait. Maybe I'll get back tomorrow or the next day soon. Anyways, that's it for now. Have a good one.